Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And for this video, I'm going to do a step-by-step maintenance video on how to do this infamous Virgil Van Dijk style. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spritz my hair. You can get a hair mist, very cheap on Amazon. So the product I'm going to be using is AkivasHair's Curl Boss curling gel. This is amazing. So I'm going to lather a little bit of the gel, not too much. I'm going to be using this Denman tail comb. I do use a wide tooth comb as well, but if I'm on a go, I'd prefer to use the tail comb because it's easier to carry. So I'm just gonna rake through the hair gently. And before we even continue, you're gonna need these 4 items. You're gonna need a mist spray, you're gonna need the styling gel of your choice, a fantail comb or wide tooth comb, and you're also going to need a brush. So now I'm gonna be just combing the back, give you guys visual. This part is actually very important. Make sure that you're combing seamlessly through so you don't have any knots. A trifecta going on, so sometimes I do finger detangle a little bit, then I also use the brush, and then I'll just be raking in there, just putting it into a position. So easily said than done, obviously. Now it's time for the juicy part. You need this brush. This is a D4 9-row styling brush, I believe, or is it a D3? Either one. If your hair is quite short, you can get the D3, and if your hair is quite long, you're gonna need the D4. There are other brushes, but for this specific type of style, I would recommend using these ones specifically, and they have to be the 9-row. So yeah, I'm going to just brush a little bit more further, and what this kind of does, it kind of creates the shape in. So now I'm leaving some stuff out. Obviously you're gonna need a hairband there. So I used to use just like a regular hairband, like an elastic one, but now we're using satin lined or silk scrunchies because this is a little bit more better for the hair. And then if you're gonna have your hair kind of styled like this long term, so time for the final steps. You're gonna apply a little bit more gel, not too much, maybe spritz as well, and then use the Denman brush or any brush of your choice just to brush the top. Lay down with a do-rag and then you're done, complete. If you guys want more tutorials, follow, like, subscribe and comment, and I definitely will do more hairstyle.